what is up, guys? It's your boy Joshua Burhart here. I am showing you guys my RC car. You guys know that red one I showed you with like that fender coming up out? Well, I took the frame off the crap. This is what it looks like without its frame. Pretty dope. It goes pretty fast, you know. Let's do a burnout. Let's turn that baby on. Let's hold it up right there. Let's turn the controller on, and boom. Never mind, didn't go forward. Got that burnout. Okay, it's so hard to control. Okay, I'll get out of this. I keep running that over. My bad. I'm still learning how to drive it. And the battery's kind of dying because I've been trying to drive it since I came home from school. Back it up. Oh, crap. They see me rolling. They hate it. Gotta see me running. Gotta catch me raw and nerdy. Oh yeah. Oh man. Oh dang it, I never catch the drifts on video. Oh crap. Come on, get out of the dirt. Usually it can just glide right up there. I don't even have the controllers. Controllers right here. Turn as long as crap. I'm gonna have it fully extend. But yeah, guys, this is my lit RC car, my favorite one. All right there, customized. I customized it. And bam! Hey, is the gas running out? The gas is getting a little low. I need to refuel the gas. It's always going so slow. I need to refuel it. Cause, you guys, it's only at it's almost empty. See that? It's almost emptied, the gas. So, that's the end of this video, my dudes. I hope you guys have a good day. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And for all you new subscribers, make sure you hit that bell there, turn on notifications, be in the notification squad, and subscribe. And if you haven't, I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm probably gonna give away an RC car. BTW guys, this battery is also overheating. That's why it's not driving. So I need to let it cool, charge it up, and refuel the gas, cause like I'm running out. I don't have any more. I used every last drop of it. And yeah, oh dang, I got a double chin.